So now that we have our sheets set up, the last thing to do is to print them. So to do so, we'll go to File, where we have Print. So if we select the arrow here, we have three options. We have Print, Print Preview, and Print Setup. So if we go straight into Print, first section here is the actual printer information. So there we will select our printer. What I've done is I've just downloaded a PDF creator called Qt PDF Writer. I just found this the easiest to work with if you're not connected to a printer. So in there you can then change the properties of that printer or PDF creator. Then display the status, the type, where it's located, and if you have any comments about that, you can place them here. So within the file section here, you got two options. You can combine multiple selected views, sheets into one single file, or you can create separate files. Here's where we'll name the actual file itself. This is the print range section. So first option there is current view. So what is currently being displayed? We can choose a small portion of the current view, or we can select a view itself. In the options section here, we can choose how many copies we want to print, we want to reverse the order, and so on. The last thing there is our settings, which is our setup for the actual page. So if we go in now to our setup, under there, first thing is our printer. The name will be the print setup name. So right now it's set to default. So when we change our settings here, we can save as and name our print setup. Next will be the paper, so the paper size. We're working with an A1, so we'll go to ISO A1. This is referring to your printer, so where do you want the printer to find the paper? Under the paper placement, we can have the image on the center, or we can offset it from a specific corner. Next is the zoom, so we can have it either fit to page, or always best practice is zoom to 100%. If you fit to page, the scale that you've been working on will be incorrect. We have the orientation, so whether it's a portrait landscape. In here in our colors is where we'll choose whether the lines will be under a grayscale or full color. Press OK, select our preview or print, and there we have our print preview. Once you're happy with the settings, then send it to print.